How to fix unknown battery message on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you a few things you can try to fix the issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Update your iPhone. First, open the Settings app and tap General. Next, select Software Update. If a new iOS update is available, download and install it. Apple often includes bug fixes that may resolve battery-related issues after an update. Method 2. Force restart your iPhone. After updating, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release it. Once your iPhone restarts, go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap Battery, then select Battery Health and Charging to check if the warning has disappeared. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.